Welcome back for another tutorial on JMagic. Now previously in the other tutorials we have made static text fields and we have also created a date and time stamp on our format. In this tutorial we are going to be creating a box field and a line field. Now these are pretty easily done in JMagic. To create a box field we're going to hover over here and you can see it says create a box field. Click that once. Now bring your mouse on your canvas where you would like your box field to start. Once you're happy with the location, click and hold and then drag where you want your box. Once you let go of that click, you will be faced with the Create a New Box Field window. You do not need to name the box, it will be named automatically once you click OK to box 1 if this is the first box. You do not also need to add a description. You can change the style of the box. To show you a couple different ones, we have dark. We'll change the filling to a black filling. You can also do shading and just get a little lighter there. You can do grid and horizontal and vertical lines and also some hedges that look like that. For this tutorial we're just going to go with normal. The thickness, I can change the thickness of these lines here. So I'm going to move this to 15. Now you can see where that changed and it's a little thicker. I'll click OK. Now I have my box field created on my format. I want to move it up just a little bit, it looks a little off. So I'm just going to use my lasso feature that was described in an earlier tutorial, where I'm going to click and hold and then drag from right to left until I'm touching my box. Now my box is selected, I can use the up and down arrows to move my box around. Now looks about centered right there, and I can click off of it. Now that my box is made, we're going to go ahead and talk about making a line field. A line is going to be really the same thing as the box field. Right here you're going to see the button for create a line field, and I'm going to click. Then I'm going to start over here where I want my line field to begin, click and hold, and then drag across to where I want it to end. Once I let go of the click, the create a new line field window will appear. I can leave this style as normal as well and change the thickness to 15 to keep it consistent. And as you can see, that's already changed and I can click OK. And now my line field has been created on my format. Same thing with this. I can either click on it, although with line fields and box fields, sometimes you might find it hard if the lines aren't as thick to click on the actual field to select it. So we recommend using that lasso tool and just click and hold and encompass that to select it, and then you can use your arrows to move it up and down or over. Once you have it right where you'd like, click off the field and you're finished. And that's it. Thank you for joining me in another version and tutorial for the line and box field.